Hello, Burlington teachers. It's Michelle Artisoni here, and I'm happy to be presenting this video tutorial to you on the website SignUpGenius. SignUpGenius is a great tool to use when scheduling parent-teacher conferences. To begin, let's go to the website www.signupgenius.com. Once here, you will need to create an account, which I already have done. Instead of having my account initials here, you would tap to create your own account here using your Burlington Gmail. Once you have entered your account, you're going to click to create a sign up at either of these two prompts. The first section that we come to is the design part of our Sign Up Genius. Let's start by giving it a title. Parent conferences. Group is a mandatory response, so I've already created a group name. This is your intended audience, and I've called mine Parents 2021. My title and category is going to stay general, and here I'm choosing education. For my theme design, I once again am narrowing down to education and choosing just the free designs. Now, once you choose one by scrolling through, and you find one that suits your needs, give it a tap and you will see a preview right here below the one you've selected. Here's my group that I've chosen right here, Parents 2021, my title, Parent Conferences. If you'd like to edit your description and your sentences, you may do so by tapping here on the pencil, and the other prompts we will not be touching. You can click Save and Continue and move right along. Here, I need to schedule my dates and times for conferences so that parents and families can sign up. I'm first going to click on Add Dates and then over to the side and click Add Time Slots. Now, the day of my event, I'm going to choose Monday, November 8th. My conferences for signups, I'm going to schedule on the same day. My time, I'll say, will begin at 7:30. And my last conference, I'll say, is at 3:00 p.m. And here comes a wonderful time-saving attribute to this particular website. I can now schedule my incremented appointments right here by minutes. And then in doing so, it will automatically pre-fill my time slots. So here I have my day of November 8th, and all of my appointments are listed below in 15-minute increments. Now, the next thing that I have to do in order for a parent or guardian to sign up is I have to allot one available slot for each time space over here. So in order to add my slots, I'm going to click here, Add Slots. The title of the slot, we just want to say something like available appointment. And then I just want one available single time slot for those times on November 8th. So I leave this set to 1 and say Save. Now I can see for each 15-minute increment, there is one slot for a family to sign up. This is wonderful. That's just what we need. I'm going to click Save and Continue. And now here are my settings. The name will be required for the participant signing up. The email is set to be required. Comment is optional. Moving further down, I can choose to allow people to swap slots with each other if they become available. Notifications, I can choose to be notified via email when a person signs up or when they delete their spot. So I might leave that turned on, and then sending the people who have signed up a reminder, and I have a choice every 1 day, 2 days in advance. So I'm going to save that. We do not need to change restrictions or integrations. So I'm going to click Save and Continue. And here is a preview before I publish it. This is my full view as if I am on a desktop or a laptop. And I can scroll down to see what that will look like for families. And here is a view of the mobile, which is slightly narrower for families to look at. Okay, So if I'm in agreement with that, I like how everything looks and the directions. It's wonderful to be used. All set. I'm going to say publish and then copy my link that's given to me right here. And this is the link that I am going to put in an Aspen email that I will send out to my homeroom students or to my ELA students, however you're scheduling your conferences. Once you have created your SignUpGenius, you can always log back into your account at signupgenius.com. Go right over and log into your account right here. Click on Signups. And here's the one that I've created, our parent conferences. I can give it a click. And here's where I can go back and review to see a participant's name, a family's name that has signed up. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions about using SignUpGenius, please feel free to email me as well as any of the other digital learning coaches. Thank you so much.